Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sector 55, Sushant Lok Phase 2. This location connects you to the main golf course road and golf course extension road. We're in the plot size of 300 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen, which also has a study room and a common powder room on the same level. Let's get started. ये जो हम जहाँ पर अभी खड़े हैं, the place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space of the house, and this area is to be considered as the formal dining space of the house. Table for 8 people can easily be placed here. The reason why this is called the dining space, because this is bang opposite to the kitchen. You talk about the ceiling design, this is rectangular design of the false ceiling. The same goes here. You've got the fan above the above me. You've got all Italian on the surface. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. A beautiful, pleasant view in the balcony. You've got the drainage vessel. यहाँ पर आपका air conditioning system के externals hang हो जाएंगे. These are all HPL sheets, textured wall, MS. This is toughened glass by Infinity. These are the surroundings of this place where I'm standing right now. Surroundings एक बारी दिखा दीजिए please. On the surface is natural stone. This formal living space also has the provisioning for the air conditioning system. The surveillance camera. This is your puja room. This is the place where you can accommodate your puja room. यहाँ पर आप channel बना सकते हैं. This is your air conditioning का provisioning once again. And this is the powder room, which is attached with the first bedroom of the house. This powder room has a bowl-shaped vanity, a square-shaped glass, and a countertop is in granite. This is looking pleasant. Anti-skid tiles on the surface, sanitary fittings by Jaguar, and the geyser is also by Jaguar. Orient का आपका exhaust fan, you've got the ventilation window. These are all tiles here. This is the first bedroom of the house. A huge bedroom, a huge bedroom size is this. ये granite का top दिया हुआ है आपका shelf में. यहाँ पर में पूरा tiling work है. Surface पे left wall is empty, right wall stays empty. यहाँ पर में air conditioner आपका लगेगा. इधर में आपका television का cable है. ये आपको connection कराने की ज़रूरत है सिर्फ. That's it. This is good to go and you can install it. ऊपर में आप ceiling में देखेंगे पूरा grouping दिया हुआ है. This is a rectangular shaped design. This is your all closet. These are your shoe racks down. This is also commonly shared with the powder room. This also has an attached washroom, but this is commonly shared with the same powder room that we've showed you earlier. So let's get into the second room of the house. Before we get inside to the second bedroom of the house, I would want to showcase you the study room for your little kids. इसमें भी सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन अच्छा दिया हुआ है. This is the study room where your kids can study. All walls are empty. इधर बच्चों के डिज़ाइन, जो बच्चों का एक स्टडी रूम होता है, उसको अपने हिसाब से आप डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा इनोवेटिव है तो बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं आप इसमें. आपकी क्रिएटिविटी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कैसे डिज़ाइन करते हैं. ये आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग का प्रोविजनिंग है AC का. This is the second bedroom of the house. A huge size bedroom which has a closet opposite to me. The ceiling design stays rectangular, which has the grouping done. On the ceiling above me is the fan. This is all plain wall. Again, to hang your television here. This is your washroom attached with the second bedroom. Left on the wall, right on the wall. This is all left on the wall, right on the wall. This is all tiles. On the surface, you've got anti-skid tiles, sanitary fittings by Jaguar, wall mount commode seat, a bowl-shaped Jaguar vanity. Glass is looking pretty good. Mirror has an LED illumination. The geyser is also by Jaguar again. Orient का आपका exhaust fan दिया हुआ है. This also has a balcony at the back side. This is the balcony, natural stone in the balcony, MS का railing है. That's the view of the back side. Back to back घर है पीछे. This will also be shared with the master bedroom of the house. That's your geyser, that's your wet area, drainage vessel. This is the third bedroom of the house. This has a laminated tiling work done on the flooring. ये wooden flooring नहीं है, teak brown color का tiles हैं. ये आपका closet हो गया आपका. एक खोल के दिखा देता हूँ. How is this gonna look like? यहाँ पर मैं आपका television लगेगा. You can get the console made customization as per your convenience. Rectangular design on the ceiling. Above me is a fan. This is the provisioning for the air conditioning system. This also has an attached washroom to this level. Tiling work towards my left and right. Granite stone on the shelf. Mall mount commode seat, and this is your rain head. That's an LED 2 lights by Philips. Orient का electric fan लगाया हुआ exhaust. This is the vanity, countertop, granite, and this is looking resplendent. Again, you've got this mirror, and mirror के ऊपर illuminization करा हुआ है. These are your cabinet storage. So this is also connected with the balcony at the back side. This also has a running window. Evening के time आप इसको खोल सकते हैं. You share the same balcony with the second and the third bedroom of the house. Nothing much to explain here. This is the hallway area, the formal living space. This is your formal living space. This is your dining section. Now we'll enter inside the kitchen. This is your kitchen, a beautiful, huge size kitchen wherein 6 people can easily manage to stand and cook food. This is the place for your refrigerator. Behind the space for your refrigerator, you've got the textured tiles. This is your shelf by Stellion, a moving shelf. You've got the space to keep your utensils after you wash it. You've got the sink too, sink है यहाँ पर, और washer's vessel is also movable. You've got the granite, good quality, thick top which is stain free. These are some storage spaces. Your chimney and hob is by a brand called Elica. It's a beautiful, it's a brand. I mean, it's a beautiful device which they have installed here. इधर में आपका cabinetries हैं. This is the space where you keep most of your cutleries, grains, pepper, salt, crystal clear glass cabinet which has a shocker inside it. This is the space where you park your oven, and these are your electrical fittings. Beneath the wall and the modular kitchen, you've got the illuminization light, LED lights. On the surface, this is all Italian. So this was about the 300 square yard site which we have just showed you. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep watching us. Stay tuned. Thank you.